Here's how to generate the first 10 terms of a sequence if you know the nth term, un. Press Menu, then scroll down to get to table mode and press equals to choose that. Type in your nth term using x instead of n. In this case, 2x plus 3, then press equals. We don't want the second function, so just press equals without typing anything in. We want the first 10 terms of the sequence, so we want to start at term 1. Even though the default setting is 1, we have to type in 1 and then equals. We want to end on the 10th term, so type in 10 for end and press equals. We want every term between these points, so press equals because step equals 1. You now have a table of values for the sequence. Scroll down to access them all. When finished, press Menu and 1 to return to calculator mode. And that's it.